This is a story about fools. It's a human story, because in business as in life, there is no way to avoid human error. This is the adage of Murphy's Law, that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. But what if there was a way to minimize this? What if we could become better humans, counteract Murphy's Law, and avoid preventable mistakes? Japanese quality management has devised a strategy to achieve this. Called Poka Yoke, this concept is finally making its way to the wider world and helping to maintain workplace and customer safety. Poka Yoke is a saying which means foolproofing and comes from a strategy in shogi, a Japanese game that is meant to end thoughtlessness and game-ending mistakes. When applied to quality control, Poka Yoke focuses on actions and design choices which avoid dangerous thoughtlessness. We have examples of Poka Yoke practices all around us. Think about the way we start a car. We don't just turn a key, we have to push down on the brake pedal first. This keeps the car from lurching forward when we start it, and more importantly, shapes our behavior to require a safer practice. Poka Yoke creates processes to achieve consistent, safe results. It should come as no surprise that Poka Yoke was created by Shigeo Shingo, the famed automotive engineer behind the Toyota production system. In a manufacturing setting, Poka Yoke can be implemented through warning functions which alert workers to an error, and control functions which prevent workers from completing a task unsafely. And in quality management, implementing stop-and-think moments in quality check workflows can encourage conscious consideration and action, helping to realize Shingo's goal of zero defects from anticipatable errors. But what is an anticipatable error, and how can we prevent human failings when everyone is inherently imperfect? The best way is to consider the most common failure points, and then to gently correct human nature. These failure points include attention drift, distraction, workplace stress, rushing, and lack of communication. Simply considering and counteracting these dangers can significantly improve quality and help your company take the first step towards safety. The next step is recognizing that unpreventable errors can cascade if left unaddressed. Assuming that standardized actions can remove all human mistakes is foolish and mindless, but recognizing that some errors will still occur and trying to spot them quickly is the true Poka Yoke strategy. To realize Poka Yoke's benefits within your company, start by bringing your team together. Encourage them to self-analyze and use observational techniques to identify where problems occur in normal operations. Ask everyone to be honest and self-critical when identifying when and how they are likely to make mistakes, and take the process to the final step by considering non-obvious errors that might occur. Try to extend the practices as broadly as possible, while keeping in mind other strategies for mitigating the risks of cascading and unpreventable failures. As new technologies develop, Poka Yoke ideas can be extended to the digital world. For example, augmented reality glasses could show workers Poka Yoke checklists while they work, and instructions projected onto assembly lines could guide repeated worker actions. The future versatility of Poka Yoke will depend on continuous self-improvement as we recognize and engage with our failings. Because when we can acknowledge our fallibility and foolishness, we can forgive ourselves for being imperfect, and in so doing, strive to become better people.